Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about the HTML horizontal rule. Now what does the HTML horizontal rule says about? If a particular programmer wants a line to be displayed in his or her website, then he can use the horizontal rule provided by the HTML. So let's see. This is the tag. HR tag creates an horizontal line in an HTML page. So if you want an HR line or a line simply in your website, so you can use this tag only. The HR means the horizontal tag to display that line. And the second point says that this is the only tag, the HR element, that can be used to separate the content. Any kind of content, if you want to separate it in your website, then you can do it clearly by using this HR tag. Now let me show you learners with an example how you can do it. Now in the Puri Padhai you can see, because this website has clearly lots of HR. Here is the course section, here is our faculty section. So the second point gets proved that there are two sections, and I want to really separate these two sections, and I've used the line HR tag. So I've used this line to separate these two section. Now we will try to recreate this whole section about us and vision and goal with the HR lines. So for this we have to just copy up this thing and we have to paste it up in a particular code. The code I have already written. I will show you over here, and we'll go up again back and we'll copy the vision and goal, and we'll paste it over here, and again we'll go back. We'll copy this heading of vision and goal, and we'll be pasting up in the H1 tag, and then we will be copying this by Control C, about us heading, and we'll be pasting it by Control V. And now here for the almost the entire content has been the same, but we also want the HR line. So how this HR line can be recreated, let's see. So the one HR line was there above the about us section, so that we will do. This is one-sided tag, and one HR line was there, or a line was there below the vision and goal section. So let us save this particular file. Let us save this particular file in a particular folder. You can save it anywhere as you desired, but currently I want to save it up in a particular folder with a name. For example, it could be any name, test.html. See, the name you can give any, but this extension .html has to be same everywhere attached to whatever the name that you give to your file. And then you have to click save. Now we'll go back to the folder as this code has been saved, and you can see there is one test file .html. We'll open up it in a particular web browser, Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. So here you can see, learners, that about us section is there, vision and goal is there, and below that it's a line is being there. Here the same thing is being there. See, the same section is being recreated over here, and you can do it like that. So I think, learners, the HR HTML horizontal rule would have been very much clear to you. So thank you, learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.